So here we are on Warwick Long Bay on the island of Bermuda, and when you're wearing polarized sunglasses, that water is deep turquoise, as pretty as could be. Without my sunglasses on, and probably in this video it doesn't look quite as good. The sand is super fine and I'm sinking in quite a bit, as you can tell if you look behind me. And it's almost pink. Almost. It wants to be pink, but it's not quite there. Anyway, this is in Warwick Parish. Horseshoe Bay is further that way, and there's a couple other beaches further up that way. But it is a beautiful beach. Got a little bit of seaweed on it. And the water's trying to get me. Oh, here come the tourists. But there you have it. Warwick Long Bay.